my coffee tasting.
Okay, so this is a new type of video for my channel. It's not makeup related at all, but today Wifey was at work and she found a baby bird. Want to see the birdie? Marcel, are you still alive? That's the baby bird. She's really scared. It's okay, Marcel. Her name is MarcelTwitter.com. And we are here to rescue her. So we just went to Petco. And we got Exact. I don't know if I'm on. Exact.
You got stuff.
Hand feeding formula for birdies. From, all of ages. It says from hatch to 2 days. We're going to assume she's 3 days old, so we're going to start with the 2 to 5 day volume, blah, blah, blah. So,
Puzzle.
Yep, we're boiling water right now to mix up formula.
Oh, are we boiling water? I didn't even boil water.
You need to boil water.
I'm sorry. It's 5.
So, we have a little baby syringe for feeding, and we're going to take care of MarcelTwitter.com, and I'm going to vlog about it. Because she's so cute. So yeah, that's baby bird. We want to raise her till she can fly, and then take care of herself. And we're hoping that she makes it. Today is the 3rd of July. So, July 3rd, she was born on July 1st, because she's 3 days old. We don't know that for sure, but that's what we're going with. We're going with 3 days. So, yep, we'll keep you updated. Bye-bye.
I'm petting it. What kind of bird do you think she is?
I don't know.
Marcel even a boy name?
Well, you said Marcel could be a boy or a girl name when we watched the video.
It's Marcel.
Marcel the cell, no shoes on. Marcel the bird, no shoes on.
Twitter, that's so funny.
MarcelTwitter.com. You can sit down. You don't have to stand over me. That's intimidating. And film this, not my face.
I don't want to look at your face all day.
I don't know if the scissors conveniently right here on the table.
Hey, look, easy access. Ah! It's like, what's Marcel?
Don't want her to blow away. Stop it. Smells exactly how Junior's food smells. So we're doing 1 part. Since we're doing 3 days, we're doing 1 part food and 3 parts water. So it's 2 to 3 parts, but I'd rather make it more watered down so that she can actually digest it than to make it too thick for her. I need water.
That water?
What water?
That's Marcel. Look at it.
1, 2, 3.
Can I have some?
No.
Get it.
And it says to get it to dissolve as much as possible.
Like baby cereal.
So I'm going to stir and stir some more. That's pretty fast though because it's not a lot. I think we'll be okay. We won't burn the birdie, I promise.
You want me to turn off the fan? That
No.
way.
It's too hot for me. Okay. Marcel, are you awake?
Wake up.
Marcel? Are you going to eat, lady? She's sleeping.
I want to wake her up.
Mom, you got to wake up, birdie.
Gotta eat.
You got to eat, baby. She's stretching. She's stretching. Get her. She's a baby. Wake up. You have to eat. We are here to help you. You will learn to recognize us as your parents. She's sleepy. It's probably been a long day with her crying for her mommy. She's eating a little bit.
Yay! Oh, that's good.
I just put a whole drop on her face and let her go to work. Yeah?
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Yes, eat, baby.
She didn't put it on her nose, but she can't breathe.
That's her beak. I don't know.
Tickle, tickle.
I tickle you, baby. By any chance you came across this video because, you know, you do this for a living or something, please tell us what we're doing wrong. We just want to help the baby, that's all. We're not claiming to be professionals. We literally just ran to Petco with a bird in a box and was like, help us.
Well, first of all, we don't have gloves on. That's one thing.
Is it? Is that bad?
It's the baby.
Okay, do you wear gloves when you give birth with your baby?
No, because I don't have one.
Hold a puppy with gloves on?
Yeah, Mary just does. Eat! 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 She's sleeping again.
Sleeping baby. Sleeping baby bear. You can see how tiny she is.
She's dreaming. I don't know, perhaps having a nightmare?
About falling out of a tree.
Try again. Try again. You have to wake her up though.
I know. She was awake. She was yelling at me earlier. She was yelling so much earlier. Was she talking to you? When you first saw her, she was like...
Yeah, well, she was crying.
Yeah, she was yelling at me. I think she was yelling at me to feed her. Though. She looked up at me and then she was like... And then she came to the edge of the box where I was. She's talking.
She talks in her sleep.
Baby bird.
Baby birdie.
Baby bird. Do we look alike?
Yes.
Okay. I will let her sleep. According to this, you have to make the first batch every time. So it's a big waste because she's a little bird, but
I'll eat it.
please don't do that.
Baby Marcel.
Here's the English directions. Good morning. It is almost time for sunrise, which is why we're at the beach. It's the 4th. Me and Charis. There she is. So, well, we were able to get Marcel, little birdie, to start hopping around sporadically. She got her energy back. We got her all fed, but she didn't make it through the night. We heard her chirping, and we got up. I think it was around 1:30 or 2. And Ma got up to feed her, but I had been feeding her. And she came back to bed. She said that she wasn't eating. So we just put her back to bed, and when we got up at 4, she didn't make it. So we cried a little bit this morning. But We had plans to come to the beach for the sunrise this morning. But we're going to bury her on the beach. And yeah. We're just happy that we were able to give her a little bit of a chance. Because when Ma found her yesterday, she probably would have died within the hour. She was separated from her parents. She was in the street. Blah, 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 blah. So, yeah. Rest in peace, Marcel. Twitter.com. We love you. We dig grave for Marcel.
Marcel!
At the beach. 3 poles in. Not from the water, but from the sand. So that we know where she is. Yeah.
It's funny how you picked 3. It's my favorite number.
I know. There's a lot of 3s. Wait!
We gonna miss you, buddy. Marcel.
Here lies Marcel. Twitter.com. And I'm crying again. Like a little bitch. It's okay. I gotta go have breakfast now. Thanks for watching. Bye.